Blessed respect all massive, big up all my Jamaica walk by massive. Right now we're gonna do something different. I am gonna showcase one of my friend, you know what I mean, I'm gonna let her introduce herself. So watch me now. We are go up to her and I just want to show her exactly what she had do. And I hear someone to come by and support her. Today it's all about her. Alright, so me I big up my friend, my sister. So you know the thing goes. So yeah, big up to everybody who sells out here. But today all dedicated to that lady here. See me I say? So yeah man, I she this. So hear me now man massive. Listen. Me I make she do the talking. And I want all I want to reach in Jamaica. And I want to roast yam, the saltfish and thing. Which part you have to come? See it? See her here. Talk to me people.
I go and clean up that piece of saltfish here. And you come in like you're one of the luckiest man on God earth, you know, because saltfish are run out of the pot. One serving left in the fear, get with the yam and your sweet potato the way how you like it, you see me? So you don't know, watch this. I just put in the fire for go and roast. The fire catch me, just put it in the coal. And one serving left in the pot just for you. So I might go and prepare up some more, but I want to serve you first. All the way there, I just hear one leave. Yeah, and nice, the food nice, everybody, you know, so them donate at night. I come down, so I have to set another segment before it's too late.
Alright,
over to the...
you tell them which part we there now.
Alright, you're there, Melrose YAM Park, you know, up on the highway, Melrose bypass there, so. Yeah, me there the end shop. My shop are the last shop coming from Mandeville and the first shop coming from town. Everybody still call it last shop because I really the last shop. Yeah? Round about there so them have them gazebo sitting where you can go sit down and have your meal. If you don't want chill, just on the sidewalk there so and go and do your thing. Yeah? Some people eat in them car. But gazebo they round about there so for all who are chill for a while.
Come show me what.
Alright, I walk on my shop back and show you what I go down. This are the park on the inside, yeah. This are out here up on the front of the bar of the food section, around here side the bar section. If you look up there, so you see somebody sitting on one table, that's one of the bar them customer where them serve and them they up there so chill. But that's the gazebo them and you're welcome to them. A blue house the way you look on over there, so the nice clean bathroom. A woman named Miss Carter, she run it. And the clean
Carter run it.
Yeah, but she not there out now, she gone home. She leave at 4:30. You pay $50 for use it. And you can't regret your $50. People come in at night when she not there and give me all $200. Say give the person to clean the bathroom. I never see a bathroom clean so yet for public bathroom.
Big Arab, what she did?
Yeah, Miss Yvonne Carter. For real, for the years that she there. And as they come out, she go in there, go look and clean up again. She are one of them there. Yeah, she one clean freak. She loves see clean. Huh? But me I go do your food the way how you like it. Saltfish and sweet potato. And yam.
So tell them your name.
Me a Mishibu. Mishibu is the name. And guess what? A two Mishibu there too, you know. Me are the one from downtown Kingston, south side to be exact. Now for my friend them buck up in a me and them one know what you do down at them place here. I say roast yam. And so far you come do roast yam. I say, but I never know nothing about roast yam. You see it nice and hot. And so me like have it ready for people when them come hot. When it hot them way, the butter can melt in it and sit near, see me? Yeah. And this are the cross off of the yam, though that shit were the best part that. The cross? Yeah, the best part, see it there. The cross off of the yam. Sometimes it's pretty, sometimes it's like this. And sometimes the yam them, the way all them set, you can scrape them, make them pretty overall, right through. And this now are the sweet potato. Yeah? And why you see say everything a fireball, you know? No because you see me angle it so you know it's really hot. No, I want to say no woman always. You see everything woman do them get burned. Tell me if I like no cause yeah, woman out there listen to me too. Woman always a get burned. And burned hot.
Man get burned too, but man can't.
Yeah, man get burned too, but a woman in the kitchen, you know.
Let me tell you, my woman not get no bun.
Yeah, that's true. My man not get no bun neither.
See it? All
but
right.
I know say me get bun. But as so it said, if all of it perfect, then we wouldn't need God. I see true when we need God, and them reason you cause it. Them say Jackass said the world no level, but a true him a tell. And here goes your butter.
Like butter.
Melting in there, yeah, but I not give you too much because I don't want your thing go dead before you start get the nation.
Yeah, butter do that?
No, but too much of one thing good for nothing. Now that the old time people them say too much of one thing good for nothing and sweet to your mouth and bitter to your belly. Jeez. So regardless of the fact say it nice, you have to take time with it hours beat though. I don't want my saltfish bun too much. So, here goes. Don't know little vegetable of it in the mix though. Everything combined. You want some of the juice too though. A little juice over the food. But I think say not hot enough, but my knife and that it kind of hold some of the eater for the food. Yeah. I miss you boy, you know. My shop name YAM. Red Stripe, no Red Stripe, but the people them name again. Ray and Nevy I do little refurbishing on the compound, but them slow down little and put it on pause because highway come and the fact say highway come. The road I got divert and little work I got do too much dust I got there whatever pollute the atmosphere, so we have to go cool off little with the one-way traffic going up and find somewhere for go and work in the meantime. But when we return our road open back fully, I'll be shop number 12. The name of my shop will be YAM Cook Shop. You don't know we Jamaicans stay already. We eat our food, you know, but that if we're too decent, but most of we will love yam, though. Yam. You see when you come find the Mishibuya, and yam, you go yam them yam, yeah. So here's your meal. Hot and ready. I mean, want you go home, go tell your girls so no woman I give you bun a road. So I'm going to wrap your fork with one of the napkin and take the nether napkin, put underneath the box to take off some of the eater for you. No.
So big up every time.
Big up every time to the crew, YouTube channel crew. Jamaica walk by. Thank you for walking by YAM Cook Shop today. It's Michelle here signing out. Be blessed.
Michelle, anybody you want big up?
Yeah, big up my daughter Annie Palmer. Big up my granddaughter Cheyenne. And all of my friends them down on Southside, down on Fleet Street. Yeah. Paulo crew and everybody, Renka's crew, yeah. Big up my cousin them that are Westmoreland, that are Green Jail. Big up my family them and my friend them, a Spanish Town out of Willardine and a Portmore crew. Everybody just big up on themselves and all who me not member for call on a name, but still member uno. Member that. Big up, yeah, because you see every week, me not half a day about cold man make sure bring my bag of cold come left so I have my thing I work out. On a legit level, yeah. And big up Yummy. And big up my yam lady. I bring my yam come a week time. But not lie, sometimes the thing tough and she don't think it hard for trust me. Yeah. She knows say me I go pay her, so she not have a problem of credit me. Yeah. A sweet potato to the fire. Come out of the bag, no sweet potato. Yeah, move, so it too big. Watch this. You see it big? Straight, I gonna get some bun. It's everything we do, we get bun, and my time figure bun. Just like that, yeah. Yes. And then when we finish, we peel it. Yeah. A potato skin in here now. I don't have no potato skin now, but we peel it. People come and take it for them hog feeding. Yeah, kind of like easy pan them pocket. Yeah. And you clean off the yam liquor. Make sure it's no damage, not the pan it for roast with damage. Because if you roast it with damage, the damage are going to run right through it. And a bad food, that I don't want to serve the bad food, so I have to make sure the food clean. Yeah. Yeah, thank you the parish council for the hand wash sink in our shop. It's so easy to get my hand wash just like that. Yeah. But bless up Jamaica walk by. Yeah. I love you know. Said speed. No.
Big up Mishibu, you don't know. So we're signing out right now from Melrose Hill. So we just feature Mishibu. So big up every time, Mishi. Take care of yourself. Go and do it same way. So all my massive, make sure say you check out Mishibu. See it there? Look at charge shop there. YAM cook shop. So once you come up Melrose Hill, see it there? See which church located there? The last shop. Coming down Melrose and coming up Melrose is the first shop on your right. Big up.